Kidde battery operated, not hardwired. Combination smoke, carbon monoxide alarm with voice. Voice alarm announces the hazard type detected, thereby helping to speed up the correct reaction to the hazard detected. The alarm announces fire when a smoke or fire hazard is detected and announces warning, carbon monoxide, when a CO hazard is detected. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Combined carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. A single unit can be installed where previously 2 were needed. Reduces installation time and helps to keep home decor attractive. Number 2. Audio alarm. 85 decibels at 10 feet. Test, reset button and LEDs. Tests alarm circuitry and triggers the voice announcement. Flashing green for normal operation and flashing red for alarm condition. Humidity range. 10% to 95% relative humidity, non-condensing. Number 3. Battery. Provides protection even during power outages when many fire and carbon monoxide incidents occur. The unit warns of a low battery condition by announcing low battery, and by initiating an alarm chirp and activating a flashing red LED. The battery door will not close unless the batteries are properly installed. Refer to the PDF attached below in the technical specification for the manual. Number 4. Voice announcements. Hush feature temporarily silences nuisance alarms with hush mode activated and hush mode cancelled voice announcement. If the alarm had detected a CO level of 100 ppm or higher, the unit will announce carbon monoxide previously detected to warn of the CO incident when the test reset button is pressed. Temperature range. 40 Fahrenheit, 4.4 Celsius, to 100 Fahrenheit, 37.8 Celsius. Voltage, volts, 4.5. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.